In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize promotional sales to get the best deals on TradingView subscriptions. Now, we all love a good bargain, especially when it comes to our favorite trading tools and platforms. So, let's dive into some effective strategies you can use to maximize savings on your TradingView subscription. Firstly, let's talk about annual events. These are the times of the year when you should really keep your eyes peeled and your wallet ready. TradingView often participates in major sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even during New Year celebrations. During these periods, you can snag significant discounts, sometimes as much as 40% or more off the regular subscription price. These events are fantastic opportunities to plan your subscription renewal or upgrade. By marking your calendar and setting timely reminders, you can ensure that you don't miss out on these savings. Now, apart from the big annual sales, there's also the summer season. Keep an eye out for special promotions during these months as well. Companies often roll out attractive offers when people are in the mood for summer shopping, and TradingView is no exception. These summer deals can be a perfect opportunity to renew your subscription without breaking the bank. Moving on to leveraging your subscription status, a rather intriguing strategy comes into play. Some users have found success by canceling their current subscription and waiting for the renewal time. According to various sources, this action can occasionally lead to receiving a promotional offer, like a discounted rate. Imagine getting 50 or even 70% off for yearly plans during a sale like Black Friday. If you're willing to test this tactic, it's essential to track your subscription dates carefully so you don't experience any interruptions in service. Another method is specifically for those who have an in-app subscription. If that's you, consider canceling your in-app renewal and then make your purchase directly through the TradingView website. By doing so, you might unlock access to certain sales and promotions that aren't available within the app itself. It could be an easy way to save some additional money with just a few clicks. And then don't underestimate the power of promo codes. A quick search on deal websites can reveal active TradingView coupon codes, which could lead to substantial savings. It's a quick and easy way to get some discounts with minimal effort. Lastly, let's not forget broker partnerships. Some brokers offer free or discounted access to TradingView Premium as part of their service. Checking in with your broker to see if they have any existing partnerships could provide you access to TradingView Premium at little or no cost. So there you have it. These are several strategies you can use to save on your TradingView subscriptions effectively. With a bit of planning and strategic timing, you'll be able to make the most of these offers and enjoy the full range of TradingView's powerful features without the full cost. Happy trading!